Python Flask template extends. In this video, we are going to learn why extends is necessary in templates and how to use extends. There are many menus in the left side navigation bar. All the menus have the same layout. The same bar at the top, the same side navigation bar at the left. If the same layout is copied on each template of the menus, the source code becomes duplicate and are hard to manage. In order to deal with this, extends is used in the template. We create a template subdirectory called basic. mpdir templates/basic. This directory contains common contents or macros for all template files. We copy index.html to layout menu.html. Copy index.html. Basic layout menu.html. We modify layout menu.html. We'll leave the common top bar and the left side navigation bar intact. We'll remove the main content. From here to here. Instead, we add a template block. Block and end block constitutes a template block. Content is the block name and other names are also allowed. Now we modify index.html by using layout menu.html. vi index.html. We delete everything except the main block. Block end block. Content is the block name, which is the same as the block name in layout menu.html. Finally, we extend layout menu.html. Extends /basic/layout menu.html. Now index.html shares the same top and left navigation bars, which are described in layout menu.html. We do the same for the product and order menus. var product.html. Extends block and block. var order.html. Open a browser and access the home page. Click the product menus. The same top and the left navigation bar appear. Product manager list, product category list, order manager list, order report daily. OK, extends in template works properly. In summary, extends is necessary to use the same template content without code redundancy. The syntax is extends common template.html. Thank you for watching this video.